Hi everybody, so this is Neha Devgan and I'm back again with another review of Haus foundation. I posted a story on my Instagram yesterday as into what review you want, and today we are back with the review of Haus foundation. So I'm stepping out somewhere. I'll be applying this foundation on my face. I'll be making this video a little vlog style because I really don't have time. So I have two foundations. I have the darker shade and I have a lighter shade. These two I'm going to mix and use on my face. I'll be sharing what all I feel about these two foundations. However, in the starting, I just want to share that I love both of these. So without a further delay, let's get started. So my skin is a little dry and I'm going to use embroideries. That's what I generally use when I do anybody's makeup or for myself. So I'll keep on posting these videos, whatever review you want from my products. You can definitely let me know, and it'll be easier for me to just, give the review of whatever product that you like. I'm going to use my milk primer. Company says that you can apply this foundation any way that you want. You can use it as a skin tint, you can use it with a sponge, you can use it with a brush. However, they also say that if you really want to try it as a skin tint, you should be applying it with your fingers, dab. So I really want to use it like a skin tint because I'm stepping out. However, I have also tried this foundation with a sponge and a brush, and it looks beautiful. I hope you guys are liking the professional makeup course videos that are going on my page, and I'm trying to share as much information as possible. So I'm using this Bobbi Brown's concealer to cut my pigmentation and darkness on the face. In the end of this video, I'm also going to show you कि ये फाउंडेशन नेचुरल लाइट में कैसा दिखता है. I'm just under the little bit of light, not too much light. This video has been made on cinematic mode on iPhone, but I have turned down the exposure. There is not much exposure in this video, okay? So we are going to blend everything with my fingers. This formula is fragrance free, vegan, cruelty free, which I really like. I think Lady Gaga really knows what she is doing, and I love the fact that the formula is vegan and cruelty free and still so amazing. So that is something amazing about this brand. Just covered my pigmentation, and now we are going to go ahead with the foundation. So मैंने ये दो शेड्स लिए थे होज लैब्स के. शेड जो लाइटेस्ट है मेरे पास वो है 015 फेयर वार्म, एंड जो डार्क है इट्स 350 मीडियम कूल. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दीज टू शेड्स. It's written here shake well before use, so I'm going to shake it a little, and then it has a pump, which is a beautiful thing. Now you can see that I have used it earlier. Two pumps now of 015 fair warm. I'll shake this one too, and then I guess one is enough. One drop is enough. Oh no, I think I need one more drop because this looks a little dark for me. So let's put one more drop. ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. I'll not use all of it. Little drop. Oh, wasting. This color looks good. We just need to mix it with the warmth of our finger, और इसे हम middle of the face रखेंगे, and then we will spread it on the outer corners of the face, okay? And I'll share time by time what this foundation looks like on my Instagram page, so you can check it out there. Still this much is left, but I'm picking just half of it. What is a triclone? Triclone means that it is a medium coverage, weightless, clean foundation with a fermented arnica that helps reduce redness and protects from environmental stress. Okay. I would love if this will act like just my second skin, which this foundation claims to be. I have tried it with my brush and sponge, and it gives you coverage as well. It gives you medium to full coverage. Now that I am trying it with the fingers, I really want to see my skin textures, and it should look like my second skin only. मैं कोई और कंसीलर अपने अंडर आई पे नहीं लगाने वाली हूँ टू ब्राइटन. बस कलर करेक्ट किया है एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई this foundation only. I think I am done, and this much is still left on my hand, so I'm going to rub it off. I'm not going to use this little ring light, like very little light. It is not a lot of light which is on right now. One size Patrick Star's powder. Without powdering my forehead, let's see what it has done to my pores. My contour. Not putting a lot of contour. This is like a very soft buffing brush. The product is not moving when I am trying to apply any other cream product on the foundation. Travel size Charlotte Tilbury 1. Soft Nude by Katrina's K Beauty. Let me just wear my earring. Now let's go back to the natural light. I really want to show you how this looks. Right now you are seeing it in a ring light. This is what it looks like on yellow and white ring light setting. Now let's move to white light setting. So I have not applied any setting spray on my face. I've just applied powders on my face. Let's see how the foundation looks like, okay? So for a foundation which is cruelty free, vegan, and it looks so good, I think it is totally worth it. I'm talking about it not only from the professional point of view, for the self point of view as well. This foundation is totally worth it. You can keep it in your self-care vanity, you can keep it in your professional vanity. This is absolutely worth it, and this is for all skin types and for all skin ages. This is not feeling very dry on the skin. This is not feeling very mattifying or very oily on the skin. It gives hydration on the skin, and I like the feeling of wearing it as a skin tint. Also, the full coverage thing was amazing, so you can definitely go ahead with it. Neha Devgan recommends it 100%. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.